Hi, I hope you're all doing great today. We have a very busy day cleaning some solar panels today here in Rustenburg. It's also extremely hot today. It's just past 9 a.m. now and we are already sweating. And I would just like to use the opportunity to show you what we do here on site. We are here at a factory. They make bricks, they use cement. There's a lot of dust in the air, so the panels get dirty really quickly. Let me quickly show you what this panels looks like. They are extremely dirty. It's not just dust that's the problem, there's also some bird droppings, some build-up on the panels, so we're going to have to clean that off to get the client the efficiency they need to be able to operate here at the factory. So as you can see here, I'm at one of the panels. There's some bird droppings over there, some build-up in the seals. Like I already showed you, the panels are very dusty. That's one of the big concerns here. But we do need to clean them quite often. Looking from a distance, even from the ground up, they don't always seem as dirty, but once you get closer you will see a lot of dirt on the panels all over that needs to be cleaned off. Steve is doing some cleaning for us today. As you can already see, there's a huge difference. These are still dirty. These have been cleaned using some deionized water and a specialized brush. This is where some of the magic happens. This is where we make some pure deionized water. It's recommended to use water with a low TDS reading. You want your TDS to be below 20. It goes into our vehicle. Over here, inside the vehicle, we've got a big motor with an extra tank, some hoses that goes up onto the roof. We use pure water to get your solar panels as clean as possible. It's more effective in cleaning. It leaves no mineral spots or sediment on your solar panels, and your solar panels remain cleaner for longer. There's no harmful substances in pure water that can degrade your panels over time. That's why we use pure deionized water, and with our hoses we run it up to the roof, and that's where the cleaning happens. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do need your solar panels to be cleaned, please contact Solar Eco Clean. We are accredited by the ISCA, International Solar Cleaning Academy. There's our contact details. You can contact us on 071 535 0667.